Good day, colleagues. This recording will show you how to copy the content from the previous year into the current year on the Blackboard Ultra. You are able to copy the content, all the content onto the previous courses to the new course, or you can select the folders that you want to copy from the previous year into the current year course. So this is your previous course that you did. For example, in my case, this is the 2025 module. These are the learning modules that I have, welcome and all those learning modules. So if I want to copy the learning module with its content individually, then I click on the module that I want, learning module that I want to copy to the 2026. But if I want to copy everything on the 2025 course as well into 2026, you are also be able to do so. So now how do you copy? You open your courses. As you land on your courses page, you open the 2026 course that you want to copy the content to. So in this case, there is already content that has been copied, but I've left one learning module on the 2025. But now I want to copy the learning module, one learning module from 2026 to 2025 to 2026. So I am within 2026, and then I will click on the plus sign. From the plus sign, I click on copy content. And then from here, all the modules that are enrolled unto you will appear here. Then you can search the course ID or the course name that you want to copy from. So these are the courses that have this name SBB. And then this is the course that I want to copy from 2025. So this arrow, it allows this checkbox. When I want to copy everything from 2025 as is to 2026, I just click on the checkbox. The minute I click on the checkbox, it goes to the selected items. Then I can start my copy. But when I want to copy specific content on the 2025 to the 2026, not the 2025 as a whole, I want a specific content. I click on the course's name so that it opens. So these are the items or folders that are in the 2026 module. So I click on the content icon or content link so that it can open for me the learning modules that I have built in onto the 2025 course with their content. So these are the learning modules that I have on the 2025 course. So if I want this module, you just click on the checkbox and then that particular learning module will cross over to that. Or if you want to click to copy a particular file inside this learning module, you click on the learning module name and then it's going to open the contents that are within that learning module. So when you want to go back, you click on those three dots and then you click on content. It will take you to the contents of the learning module. So I want to only copy the contents of this learning module from 2025 to 2026. I click on it on the checkbox and then it crosses over to the selected item. Then I click on the Start Copy button. As it is saying here, copying content. So when this copying content it is done, the learning module from 2025 will be transferred or will be copied into the learning course of 2026. As you can see, copy is complete. There is the learning module that I've copied from the 2025 module. It is hidden from the students by default, so you need to make it visible to the students in order for you to be able, in order for your students to have access into the content. Now inside that, you will find there is a file. By default, when you copy content from the previous year to the current year, it comes hidden from the student side. So you need to click on this drop-down arrow to make that content visible to the students. Then you are able to do what? To edit into the current year, whatever the content that you have. So this is the title of my learning module. It still says 2025 because I've copied it from the 2025. Now I can just edit and then put the 2026 here. This is how you copy, colleagues, content from one course, that is the previous course, into the current course. I thank you.